Let's practice functional interface. A functional interface is that has only one abstract method. So let's practice this question. Write a functional interface called math operation with one method int operate and this. Then use a lambda to define addition and multiplication. I have already created empty classes here. So let's do as the question says. That is, write a functional interface called math operation. So here is the math operation. Let's annotate it with functional interface. And then with one method int operate. Okay, let's copy this method math operation. You see, now it's saying remove annotation. It's giving an exception. It's giving an error. Or so why is that? Because it at least no, it needs only one method. At least one method over here. If you put more methods here, then it's not a functional interface. See, it will give you again error. If I change the name to 1, then it will say multiple non-overriding abstract method found in the interface. Remove annotation. You see, it cannot accept multiple functions. Functional interface means there should be exactly one method, one function. Now let's try to use this function. Okay. Then use a lambda to define addition and multiplication. Okay, so let me create a lambda expression. Math operation, addition, given a comma b, and the expression is a plus b. So this is what we have to do for addition. The expression is a plus b. Similarly, for multiplication, we have given a comma b, we will multiply it by this expression. Now, to see the output on screen, I am just printing it out. So, addition. Now, in order to call this lambda expression, we will be using the instance of math operation, addition, call the function which is operate, and the parameter values 4, 5. Similarly, I'll be doing for multiplication. Better to copy. So let's run and see. So the addition of 4 and 5 is 9 and multiplication is 20. Now this is how we should be using a functional interface, and this is how we should be putting our lambda expression. But you know, there's something about this. What if you need this in other classes as well? Then we cannot simply go and put this lambda expression everywhere in those classes. That's not a clean approach. For us to have a clean approach, we should put this lambda expression in a separate class. Like let's take this and put this into the math utility class which I have created here. You cannot simply put it like this. You have to put it with public static final. So it can be used there. Public static final math operation. Yeah, there is a related problem here. So it doesn't know what is this, where from where I can get this addition. So addition is inside math utility. Just put math utility and dot. So now it would be okay. See, similarly for multiplication. Okay, and now your code has become more clean. Your class has become more clean, and if you run, you should get the same output. You see. Okay, let's take another number. Oh, you see, addition is 8 and multiplication is 15. Okay guys, see you in my next video.